Did you know a young warrior once brought the mighty Julius Caesar to his knees? In 52 BC, a Gallic chieftain named Vercingetorix did the impossible. He united over 60 warring tribes against Rome's greatest general. At the siege of Gergovia, this barbarian king handed Caesar his first crushing defeat. The Roman legions retreated with heavy losses. Caesar even considered abandoning his entire Gallic campaign. But the final showdown came at Alesia. Vercingetorix trapped himself in a hilltop fortress, thinking reinforcements would save him. Caesar responded with military genius, building double walls, one to keep the defenders in, another to keep Gallic reinforcements out. When hope died, Vercingetorix made the ultimate sacrifice. He rode out in full armor and threw down his weapons at Caesar's feet, surrendering himself to save his people. Rome paraded this proud king through its streets for 6 years before executing him, yet Vercingetorix's brave resistance became the foundation of French national identity. Sometimes the greatest victories come through noble defeat.